You're looking at a Phantom wallet with $1.76 million in it. This didn't come from buying the top or gambling on hype. It came from launching the coins that other people FOMO in. No fluff, just a formula. Stick around because I'm walking you through how I built it coin by coin. I used to chase every pump, trying to get in early, hoping this one would finally be different. But I was always the last one in, and the first one out with a loss. Then I realized, the real profits isn't in catching hype, it's in creating it. When you launch, you are not playing someone else's game, you are setting your own rules. You choose the supply, the timing, and you decide how it plays out. And here's the kicker. When you launch, you have nothing to lose. You create the coin, you hold the leverage, but if you keep trading, you are just exit liquidity for someone else. Bitcoin is at the all-time high and Solana is pumping. There is no better time to launch than right now. And before we get started, I just want to be clear that this video is made for educational and entertainment purposes only. Do not copy me, cap. Pump.Fun is where most people start, but it's not where serious launches happen. You're locked into a bonding curve, you don't control your liquidity, and your coin might never even go live without early buyers. That's why I use Create Tokens.Fun instead. It skips the middleman and launches your token directly on Raydium. Instantly tradable and instantly fully visible. You get full control over supply, liquidity, and launch timing. No delays and no restrictions. You run the show from start to finish. If you are launching a coin to actually gain traction, this is the only platform that gives you full control and instant visibility. Anyways, when you are on Create Tokens.Fun, there are two fast ways to launch a meme coin. First one, create from scratch. Choose a trend, maybe it's a viral meme, a political moment, or something everyone's talking about. Then, set the token name, add a symbol, and upload an image for the PFP. And hit next, just like that, you're ready to go. Second option, my favorite one and the most profitable one. Copy a trending token. Click the Copy Trending Coins tab, it pulls high volume tokens straight from Pump.Fun. Click one and it launches immediately onto Raydium. No setup needed, and because it is on Raydium now, your coin gets way more visibility, more buyers, and a higher chance at profit right from the start. Both methods work, but if you want instant traffic and faster flips, method 2 is the clear winner. But yeah, so now it's time to create a coin and actually make some money in front of you guys. So first of all, connect your wallet from Phantom and then refresh the list. And we're gonna go with the first one, the Gold Pengu coin. Why? It has 70 replies, which is not bad, right? A last buy 3 seconds ago and a $35.4 thousand market cap. So I'm gonna create coin, your Phantom wallet will pop up, and yes, you will get a warning from Phantom. It's completely normal, okay? This website is legit. Just proceed anyway, confirm, understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied. You just gotta wait a few seconds. Not too bad, right? Boom, and if I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's officially minted on chain. It's 100% legit, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is pretty simple. Basically, we're gonna make our coin tradable for the public so that people can buy and sell on the liquidity pool. Now here, select your coin, token B, it should be auto selected to your wallet right here. Among token A, click on 90%. I would highly recommend to drop 900 million tokens. That's perfect. And for the amount token B, I would highly recommend to put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 SOL. This is the first initial buy inside your own coin, and since you are the first buyer, you are not losing this money, okay? So you will get this money back later after you remove the liquidity. And now it's time to create the pool. Your Phantom wallet should pop up. And then click on confirm. After that, click on refresh, and if you scroll down, you guys can see that the Gold Pengu coin is now live, and for the PNL, we're up $0. But if you click on refresh real quick, you guys will see that now we're up $213, which means that people are currently buying inside our own coin and it's going up. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart, and now our coin is live. Just give it a bit of time to, get back to normal, and boom, we are starting out at $1.6 thousand in market cap and 1.1k in liquidity, which is not bad. And yeah, now the coin is live. People are buying in, people are selling, life is good. Now our only worry is to just wait, sit back, and just watch the buyers roll in. So I'm gonna do a quick time lapse and be right back. Enjoy. Okay guys, I'm back. I have to go real quick, but yeah, now it's time to cash out our profit. So we're at the $4,000 market cap with $1.8 thousand in liquidity. It's currently going up. I still believe it can go up, but yeah, I'm taking out profits. Come back to create tokens.fun. And then first of all, before we remove the liquidity, click on refresh. Okay, so now we're up $1.9 thousand with a $5.3 thousand market cap. Now click on the minus button, and here you can choose how much that you want to remove. I'm gonna do 100%. After that, click on remove liquidity. Your Phantom wallet will pop up, and as you guys can see here, we're gonna receive 9.3 Sol. Now click on confirm. And just like that, we just removed the liquidity. If I open my Phantom wallet, yes sir, $2.1 thousand is inside my wallet.